my goodness, it's finally happening. I feel like it's been forever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My camera has been out of commission for a couple weeks now. I haven't been able to film new videos, which is so frustrating. But I wanted to show you guys and like do my Cards Pick collab video for June. I know it's late. The day I'm filming this is finally the 8th of June. It's very late, I'm so sorry. So yeah. I have a customer who, for those who don't know, I'm a press-on nail artist now. I have a customer who ordered the mystery design set, and I actually call mine the Manicure Roulette mystery set, so they can go through and pick whichever deck they want. So my customer picked the surprise me. I'm not sure if she knew that these were options here, but they are, so she was able to pick whatever deck she wanted. So she picked Surprise Me, so I figured it was the perfect time to pull out the Summer Days deck from Manicure Roulette and design her set. So today I'm not doing my own nails, I'm doing my customer's nails, but if you want to see my nails, I made these nails for my birthday. Look at those little spicy little red peppers, they're so cute. Anyways, so these are the other decks that I have. I was like, do I want to do a fruit one? I just did like a bunch of watermelon sets. Maybe I'll add some metallics. We'll see. I'm not really sure. I might do, oh, that's so beautiful. I might do this one. I might. So, all right. So what I'm going to do is pick out the 2 cards for this customer's mystery deck. And it's basically going to be this month's theme for you guys. Okay? So who's excited for that? So if you're new here, I do a monthly collab where people get to basically do manis based on the cards. The cards will choose your nail fate. And these cards are specifically designed for nail artists. So let's start off by picking a color palette, all right? Oops. Let's shuffle these, shuffle them around. Let's pick a color palette. Card number, let's pick the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pick the 5th card. Caribbean. All right, we got blues, a blurple, an orange, and a yellow. Okay. And then what other card is this customer going to get? I'm going to shuffle these. This is the art theme. It's basically going to tell me the theme of this customer's design. So let's pick the 5th card here. I don't know why. I just wanted 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Card number 5. Ooh, okay. All right, this is a lot better already than last month. It was a hard one. Okay, yeah. This month, since palm leaves are pretty simple, they're pretty easy, I'm going to do another color palette just in case anyone wants to pick another color palette. So this is the color palette from the original Manicure Roulette deck. There's like a dozen decks at this point. So I'm going to take off my little band here and shuffle things around. Oh, that kind of cut me right there. Oof, okay. Shuffle things around and let's pick number 5 as well. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right, let's pick number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. Pink. I did not expect that. All right, so this month's cards are palm leaves and this color palette, or palm leaves and pinks. So I think that's fun. That's going to be very interesting. I guess depending on your personality, I can see a lot of people picking the pink and palm leaves, but I can also see a lot of people doing this color combo. So this is going to be awesome. All right, so I'm going to get started on doing my customer's design set. I'm excited for you guys to watch how this process goes along and everything. So yeah, thank you guys. So I pulled out pink, like 2 different pinks. I pulled out a yellow, pulled out a blue. So I feel like this blue goes really, really well with these. I also pulled out this turquoise kind of minty color just to go underneath, maybe under this one if I do nail art with this. I'm just trying to play with all the colors. One of these oranges is bound to work. That's a very, very bright orange. It's not really picking up as bright, and that's a lighter orange. So there's lots of gels here. If you're a dip powder girly like I once upon a time was, I feel like I've like stopped doing dip powder. Definitely slow down since I have customer orders to do. Let me stop talking. Let's get into this. What is the game plan, Carol? What is the goal? So, freak. I'm like trying to decide how many nails do I want to do nail art on? What do I want to be the primary color? So I think I'm just gonna jump right in and paint a nail this color. I'm gonna paint the pinky. No, we're not gonna paint the pinky nail. We're gonna do the ring finger. There's more real estate on this one. This is the extra, no, it's just extra short. It's called Extra Short Almond from Opre. It's one of their newest extra short shapes. Very, very short. It's actually what I'm wearing right now on my hands. It's a very short shape and I love it. I absolutely love that shape on me. Ooh, I'm already loving this pink and turquoise next to each other. I'm going to show you guys how you can get a card from the Manicure Roulette, and if you don't like the colors, they don't have to be the predominant colors, you guys. I'm going to show you how you can do that. How does lint always end up in this? I'm still trying to figure that out. Where does it come from? Someone explain to me where it comes from. I mean, I know where lint comes from, clearly, but it feels like it's just falling out of the sky. No rhyme or reason. There we go. Much, much better. And I might do the light orange on this one so that I can do the darker orange. So basically I'm picking, you know, the colors that were on the cards, I'm picking lighter versions of them. So instead of red, I'm doing pink. I'm doing the turquoise instead of the dark blue because I'm going to do the nail art in those darker colors on these, but I want the nail art to be done in the darker colors that were on that card and these lighter colors to be in these fun light, because you need that contrast. That base has to either be darker or lighter than the art on it, and I don't want to do just black nail art, so I'm doing lighter nail art like this. I'm gonna leave these blank for now because I might just make these solids and not do any nail art. I have not decided yet, but that is the current intention. So I'm gonna go cure this and I'll be right back. All right, so I painted the nails and what I want to do is kind of like some abstract vibes. So I think what I'm gonna do is take some of the gel polishes and start doing like my little abstract thingy. I recently did a set for a customer where I did this, but what I like to do is just do like those wannabe paint swatches, if that makes any sense, and I just make it look like it wants to be a paint swatch, basically. And I like it because these are definitely more opaque than if I were to work with stamping polishes. So no rhyme or reason or anything, just wherever you want it to be. You can make it look more jiggly and wobbly and everything if you want. I'm also going to do it on, should I do it on 2 nails, 3 nails? I'm not sure. I might do it on this one as well. So let's do I want to do the bright orange? And where's the yellow? Let's do a little bit of both. I don't know if this bright orange is going to be what I'm looking for. It's not. It's definitely not. Oh, I like that. Simple. For this, I gotta pick a primary color to do the palm leaf in, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do it in black or white or in a color. It's very hard to decide right now. I have all these different plates. I don't like how this one's very cut off. I also have these. Maybe that one. I'm gonna do it in dark blue. And you couldn't tell me that's not a palm leaf, okay? Those extra pieces hanging out right there. It's very interesting, I will say that. Well, that's got a lot going on over there. Let's use the card to remove the rest. Alright, so for those, I want to do something else. I'm going to use white gel polish for this though. It's fine, I don't feel like taking out my palette. And we're going to use a dotting tool to do the abstract vibes. Yes, I totally could just use my stamping plate, but I don't feel like it. No rhyme or reason, just put them wherever. And then do the same for this one. I like that one being a little more scarce. So this customer would get like a very tropical, leafy kind of vibes. Very bright and fun. Kind of Manny. So 2 accent nails. Yeah, simple. Alright, so now the next goal is to basically encapsulate this without messing up the nail art. Especially when you're dealing with like stamping, it's so easy to mess it up. So what I like to do is use a gel base. I have the 𝐂𝐼𝐜𝐤 one right here. So hold on, let me polish that edge real quick. Okay, so I like to take the gel base and kind of float it on top of the nail art, which is just the palm leaf. You could have hand painted that, but trust me, I've tried. It don't turn out so great. You would think something so simple and effortless would be easy to do. I did not have the greatest time doing that or a feather. So I just kind of float it on there, and then I go cure this in my lamp. The one thing you don't want to do is sit here and stroke, stroke, stroke with your brush over and over again. All those excessive strokes, like if there's too much pressure of the brush and it's touching your nail art, too much of that pressure will eventually mess it all up. So you definitely want something like more bubbly per se. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys my favorite matte top coat that I've been using lately. I was very impressed by this. I recently purchased it kind of on a whim, and I'll show you. And honestly, I think nail art like this looks so much better matte, so I'm really glad. So I actually purchased the Soul Dips matte top coat recently. Incredible. It is so good. So you obviously won't be able to see it while I'm just putting it on right now, but after it cures, it's a force to be reckoned with. I'm very impressed with this matte top coat. Alright, I'm going to pop that in the nail lamp and let it come out and see what magic it's cooking. I really like this color combo on top of this tip. I think it's my favorite one. I imagine if I had done all 5 nails, or 10 per se, like this, it would have turned out great. Maybe just rotated through the colors and the designs. I really like how it turned out. Alright, these all have gel base on them now. I need to pop them in the lamp, so let's do a switcheroo. These are coming out and these are going in. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, they look so cute. Okay, that is such an incredible matte top coat. I am so impressed. The matte top coat for the Soul Dips, in love. It's so good. I love it. It's impeccable. It's incredible. One of my favorites. I love working with the brush. It's not too stiff or anything. Basically the bottleneck opening right here, it's not too small. I've had some, I can't remember the brand recently, where you're like kind of trying to force it out of the bottleneck, the brush, the handle and everything, because that opening was too narrow. So I'm very glad that this one is a decent size. So you can not only get your brush in there, but you can get the product out without scraping it and like losing it on the bottle. It's gonna be so good. Alright, so this is the set that I came up with using the Caribbean card colorway. Yes, there is pink in it. I did pull the pink's card, so I felt like it was necessary. I feel like this is true to the card. You guys let me know if you feel like this combination here was true to the cards that I pulled with the palm leaves and everything. I am very intrigued to hear your guys' thoughts, opinions, and I cannot wait to see the designs that you guys create for this month's Cards Pick collab. Do not forget to read the description box for all of the rules on how to enter, and the winner will basically receive their very own press-on custom set from me, Color Me Carol. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I think this set turned out gorgeous. I really hope that my customer loves this set. I will definitely keep you guys updated if I hear otherwise, because it's a mystery set, so she could have got anything, but like, oh, just like the way the colors flow, bringing in this yellow from here, bringing in the pink from there, the dark blue from over there, like I really like it. And I didn't put colors too close to each other, so you notice the dark blues over here and here, whereas that aqua, I didn't put it here, I put it further away, and the yellow I put it further away and everything too. So yeah, I'm very pleased with how her set turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the card that I have here. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Shit don't add up, even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now.
Alright, so there is my customer's new mystery set. Oh, it's so exciting. She also ordered this one. She had previously ordered this one a few months ago, I believe back in March, in my extra short almond from the Painted Desert, but she wanted to try it in the new extra short almond from 𝐴𝐴, but I label that one as extra short, so I don't have 2 extra short almonds in my shop. So these are all the 𝐴𝐴 extra short almonds. I'm just oh so smitten with how that top set turned out. I was not sure for a moment there, but then it all came together and I'm very, very pleased and cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm just so happy.